Hi everyone! Besides caramelized pork belly, pepper-braised pork is another fantastic dish to enjoy with steamed rice during family meals. In this video, I'll share a simple recipe that anyone can follow at home. Let's get started. Pepper is the heart of this dish. I'm using 10 grams of black and white peppercorns for a spicy and aromatic kick. I've lightly toasted them, and the aroma is amazing. I'll crush them gently to release their flavor. For a fresh, unique touch, I'll also add some green peppercorns. These just need to be washed and trimmed. For braising, I chose a beautiful piece of pork belly with a nice balance of fat and meat. This ensures the pork will turn out rich, glossy, and tender, not dry. I'll slice the pork into pieces about 2 centimeters thick. Then I'll marinate it with 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1½ tablespoons of caramel sauce, half of the crushed pepper. Mix everything well and let the pork absorb the flavors for about 30 minutes. Next, I'll finely pound the shallots, garlic, chili, and a bit of green peppercorn. I'll add some of this mixture to the pork marinade for an extra burst of aroma. As for the green onion roots, I'll cut them into 3 to 4 centimeter lengths. Now that the prep is done, let's move on to braising the pork. Heat up a pot and add a little pork fat or cooking oil. Sauté the shallots, garlic, chili, and pepper until fragrant. Then, add the marinated pork and stir over medium-high heat until the meat is nicely browned. Once the pork is cooked, I'll add just enough water to cover the meat. You can also use fresh coconut water for a subtly sweet flavor. Coconut water is commonly used in southern Vietnam for braising, while in the north, it's less typical. When the liquid comes to a boil, skim off any foam, reduce the heat, and let it simmer gently. Add most of the green peppercorns, reserving a few sprigs for garnish. Cover the pot and braise the pork for about 30 minutes until tender and flavorful. After 30 minutes, I'll add the remaining crushed pepper, green peppercorns, and the green onion roots. Stir everything well and adjust the seasoning to taste. I like to add a bit of soy sauce. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and it's ready. And there you have it, a fragrant, flavorful pot of pepper-braised pork. This dish combines the sweetness of the pork, the spiciness of the pepper, and the glossy brown hue from the fish sauce and caramel. It's absolutely irresistible. Give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching my pepper-braised pork recipe video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming recipes.